Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to tell you how my app made more than $20,000 in 2 years. In January 2020, I released my app called Sleeker Pro. It's actually a Chrome extension that analyzes Amazon by scraping its data. The app was made for people who want to publish books on Amazon. The books can be in printed media format or ebooks. So what the software does is compare the best-selling ranks on Amazon for the books in a particular niche. So let me give you a quick demonstration of what the application does. So we go to amazon.com and search for books and type in the niche we want to research. So here I'll just use keto and press enter. This will bring us a list of best-selling books on keto from Amazon. So I'll click on the Sleeker Pro extension to analyze this data. As you can see, it pulled up all the books on that page. We have the book title, which is also a link to that particular book, and also the best-selling rank. From here, if we see any outliers, we can just unselect it, like this one, for example. Doing this will recalculate the average best-selling rank on the fly. Using this data, a publisher can make a very informed decision whether the book he wants to publish is going to be profitable or not. Let's now take a quick look at my Stripe dashboard. As you can see, from the first day I launched in January 2020 till today, October 13th, 2022, I have made a gross volume of over 20K. I only offer one payment plan, which is $97 for 1 year. As you can see from the graph here, it slowed down after the first year, but then it picked up again after the first year of subscription finished and was renewed by a lot of the users. There is a minimal cost to run the application. It's about less than $1 for every month. So most of that money was profit. I have had a few refunds and disputes since it started, but as you can see here, it's not too bad. Only 7 disputes over the course of 2 years. The application also required very minimal support. I only replied to like 5 emails in a month at the maximum. But all good things come to an end. I will be retiring the application by the end of the year. If you want to know why I'm going to retire a profitable application, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, as I will be giving all the details from the birth to death of this application. If you have any questions on the architecture, on the business side, make sure you comment below and I will address it in my next videos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.